On today's body cam, we're checking out spoiled brat finally arrested after stealing her grandma's car.
These suspects took things way too far after getting caught in their stolen grandmother's vehicle.
Get off of me! Ain't nobody do shit to y'all! I'll buy out families get fucking popped! That's great, please! All that shit! What are you talking about?
Is there an infraction?
Yeah, there is. Is this your vehicle, sir?
No, sir. This is my grandmother's vehicle.
Your grandmother? What's your grandmother's name? Okay. Can we come out real quick?
That's fine.
So come here real fast.
Yes, sir.
See there's no plate right there?
Yes, sir.
And then the back plate actually comes back stolen. That's why we're stopping you right now, okay?
Yeah, because my...
Okay, does that make sense now why we're stopping you?
I totally understand, but I told them that it was stolen by my
yeah, that's fine.
cousin's
so until we can verify that, we're gonna make sure that's not the right vehicle, okay? Because people actually put plates on there, so this plate comes back stolen.
That's fine.
Which is why we stopped it right now, okay?
Okay.
Do you have a license on you?
Yes, sir. But I do have my ID.
That's fine, I appreciate it. I suggest you not having an attitude right on this when we're actually trying to get a stop going.
I was just trying
and also, you don't have a license. Why are you even driving in the first place, sir?
Correct.
Does your passenger have a driver's license?
No, sir.
Okay. Well,
I'm able to get around.
Yeah, you should probably start working on that. You can go and take a seat real quick. We'll get that figured out.
Right now?
No, we're not done yet. All right.
Do you have an ID on you, dear? Huh? She doesn't want to give us her ID.
Mr. Jefferson, do you have insurance on your vehicle? Do you have insurance?
I'll prove it in court.
What?
I'll prove it in court.
Okay, that's fine. Is your grandmother on? Is that your grandmother's car? Is she on the way? Have you how long until she see her?
Huh?
You know how long until she see her? Probably an hour. I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle, then we're going to tow your vehicle then, sir.
What are you towing the vehicle for?
You don't have to tow the vehicle. She's right around the corner. It's on Third Street. You can follow me back there.
You said an hour, correct?
Can you follow
We're not going to wait an hour. We're going to tow your vehicle.
Bro.
Okay.
What are you towing a vehicle for if the
registered owner's on the way? You said she's going to be here in an hour.
She's on the way.
You said an hour, didn't you?
She's on the way, though.
But you said an hour.
Correct. She's on the way, right?
But it's going to be an hour?
She's able to get the vehicle, right?
In an hour?
She's able to.
We're going to tow the vehicle.
She's right around the corner. She has to get a ride.
That's not an hour.
It doesn't matter. She has to get a ride. I'm in her car. It's right around the corner.
I understand that you're not supposed to be driving, sir, correct? We're not going to wait an hour.
Can you follow me there?
That's not a no, I'm not going to follow you there.
Is this guy an idiot? Can you follow me there? You don't have a driver's license. What part don't you understand? This guy, man, he's got some nerve, don't he? And who's the cheerleader on the side, man? Like, what? They got some nerve. She'll be here in an hour. It's right around the corner. First of all, that don't even make sense. You got to get a ride. It is what it is. Can you follow me there? Car is stolen. Car is stolen. And you're not even supposed to be driving in the first place. Make it make sense, man.
Lord, how are you?
Let's go. Step out of the vehicle.
So you're about to I'm not about to call her. That shit dead.
Oh, you coming out. Oh, you coming out the car. Whether you like it or not.
Yeah, bro. What am I doing that for?
Oh, yeah.
What are you taking me for if I'm about to call her back? I live right around the corner. What the f*** are you doing this?
Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Yeah, stay in the car.
No, don't do that.
Stay in
No, y'all blowing it. We're not doing to y'all.
This ain't your traffic
I don't give a. I'm in this car. This is our granny car.
Stay in the car.
I'm about to record the out of y'all because I have a ride. Okay, so I'm going to stand right here.
My fault you come out in the shoes.
Bro, I just had slides on. You just took me out my sheets.
Me, who finna run? I don't give a about running from y'all. Y'all hard as like I said. No.
They look and act just alike.
Are we done with her?
Ma'am, we need you out of the vehicle, please. We're going to be towing your vehicle.
I don't put no type of fear on my heart. Don't come over here talking.
We need you out of the vehicle. Get out of the car.
Y'all weird. Okay, I'm
Get
gonna
out of the
grab
car.
this car first.
Grab your car. Get out of the car now.
I'm grabbing my stuff.
Get out of the vehicle.
Y'all blowing it.
Get out of the vehicle.
Get off of me. Don't touch me.
You need to stop obstructing.
Don't touch
You are
me.
obstructing.
Don't touch
You need to stop
me.
yelling.
Get out my face.
You need to start listening.
Get the out my
This is the last
face.
time I'm telling you, you're too
Don't
handcuffs.
touch me.
You need to stay
I
out of
don't
the vehicle.
care. Don't touch me. On my face. Don't touch
You need to
me.
stand over there.
Don't touch me.
You-
Stop touching me.
Bring it back.
You're blowing it. What y'all doing that for? Y'all are weird. Y'all are weird. What y'all doing that stuff? Y'all weird. Oh my granny, y'all awesome.
We're not going to put him back.
Fuck with y'all ugly as y'all weird as on my granny.
Let go of your phone.
I'm gonna beat the fool on my granny. Y'all weird. Y'all wicked fuck. Shut the f up, bitch. Shut up. Weird, ugly mother. No, bitch, move. You're weak, move. You're weak. I promise you ain't stronger than me.
stop.
No! Get off of me!
You need to stop resisting. That's fine. You can do that. I don't.
Yeah, get the off me, bitch. With your dumb ass. I'm not no fucking kid.
Well, I don't know. Your actions is given very temper tantrum, you know, it's given childlike, I would like to say.
Move, I'm trying to sit here, move!
No.
Get the off of me!
Stop. I'm not playing with you. Stop it right now.
This is not your traffic stop.
Okay.
Okay.
You're cold. I don't care.
We're not playing like you.
Get off of me!
I'm not playing with you.
Y'all weird as Y'all weird as Get off of me! I can't breathe! Move! Y'all weird! Ain't nobody do Y'all weird as Ain't nobody do to y'all! Let me go! What the wrong with y'all? Get out of here! Let me go! Y'all corny as
We need a back seat.
Get off
Let's
of
go.
me!
Door open.
I didn't do shit to y'all! Bro, help me! Bro, record these bitches!
Door open.
Y'all weird on my
Get in
granny!
the car.
The female suspect escalates her meltdown once she's seated in the police vehicle. She begins screaming the most vile things imaginable to try and anger the officers.
Y'all weird! Corny as Where the my sister at? Type of this? I mean, my granny. Y'all weird as Y'all lucky y'all don't kick this in. Out of here, y'all weird.
You'll probably be paying for the damages if you did decide to kick in the police cruiser door. It doesn't get any better for you.
Y'all weird as bitches. My granny, y'all got me up. Y'all weird as niggas. Oh my granny, I'm suing the at y'all bitches. Weird as with y'all bitches. Nobody do shit to y'all party ass. What's wrong with y'all? What's wrong with y'all? Y'all weird. Who the does that shit? Shit dead as y'all weird as y'all awesome bitches on my granny. Can't wait till all y'all niggas get fucking popped. Fucking lucky y'all spit on y'all niggas. Can't wait till this matrix fall on y'all. Swear to God. Bro with y'all. Bro with y'all. Y'all don't got no right to do that weird ass shit with y'all. Y'all some. I hope all y'all families get popped. Y'all pulled up to do that. Some man handle a female with y'all. Bro with y'all. Y'all weird as. Oh my granny, y'all weird.
Please give your grandma's name a rest, man. Give your grandma's name a rest. You don't gotta say, "Oh my granny." Please let her be in peace, man. It's bad enough y'all got her vehicle, man, stolen. You know.
Ain't shit there with y'all dumb old lady car. Y'all look stupid as. Not gonna find shit with y'all dumb ass looking for. Got me up on my granny. Y'all got me up. Y'all some. All y'all some. Y'all couldn't even take down one female with y'all. Y'all weak as. All y'all ugly as. Weak as. All y'all. So don't talk to me. Don't say me. Y'all let them handle me for no reason. I don't care. I don't care. These nuts. Stop talking to me. No, y'all can't get me now. Y'all really can't. Got this weak over here. You weak. Can't hold no 19-year-old by yourself. With you don't belong here with your weak. Couldn't even hold one 19-year-old female weak. Quit your job. And he over there lying. You lying with y'all redneck ass face. Go back to the mountains. Y'all ugly as f***. Y'all some bitches. I swear to God, y'all some bitches. Y'all ain't got shit else better to fucking do. That shit dead as. You could have waited for her fucking right to get here so she could drive for us. You want to be impatient and rush her old ass lady? You're fucking selfish. I can't wait to get in court. Oh my granny, I can't wait. You mean?
Her language is foul, man. I don't see a bright future for her, man. You act like this at 19? You still wet behind the ears, man. That's crazy. Talking about you couldn't wait for my grandma. She's an old lady to drive us. There shouldn't even be any for her to drive us. You guys shouldn't be driving at all. No driver's license. It's not even like, I got a permit, but I try to, it's still wrong, but it's like, all right. You just straight got a regular ID card. You shouldn't be driving at all, man.
No, y'all can stop talking to me and get a ambulance here. Y'all got me up. Y'all do like this when y'all bored. Just pull them over because it's the only car right there. Because you couldn't wait 30 minutes for our grandmother to find a ride to come drive her car. Y'all are.
No, they pulled it over because it didn't have any license plate. And then they had a license plate, but it was in the window and it comes back stolen. That's not because they're bored. Trust me, they probably did not want to pull you over. But when they see things like that, what do you expect them to do? Just let a stolen vehicle just ride on by?
Weird! Y'all are fucking weird! These other people are dying, and these other people are didn't worry about us. Is y'all manhandling a little ass female for y'all weird as y'all sit there and watch each other do that. What one of y'all gonna stand up and be different from the rest? That's what I truly want to know. Y'all all act the same. Y'all all some for what? Y'all suck the each other for what? And feel like y'all doing something. It's cool because this matrix gonna fall on all y'all. Y'all ain't gonna know what to do. Y'all gonna be how y'all was just in the mountains, lost. It's okay because karma come in so many different forms. Y'all ain't even gonna know. Y'all just gonna think life, and y'all dumbass. When it's the bull and put on other bugs, it's coming back on y'all dumbass.
And the crazy part is she wasn't even a part of this for real. They just wanted you to get out of the car. You go about your business. You decided to want to hoot and holler and all of that, and you wasn't even getting locked up initially. It's the guy. It's not even you. You brought all of this upon yourself. Like, she literally brought all of this upon herself. This don't make no goddamn sense. And her language is foul, man. She like, yeah, y'all weak. She weak. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I mean, police work is a masculine job, anyways. But she is really masculine, man. Like, the lady cop, she probably got a little feminine side, a little, This one here, straight masculine vibes, man.
Selfish, just selfish. Y'all say y'all here to protect us. Y'all going against us. Crazy. Y'all crazy as fuck. No, I'm not okay. I'm hot as tired, and I'm ready to get this car and get away from y'all.
I'm gonna get you out, okay?
Y'all crazy. Yeah. Y'all need to check some of these. Some of these. Y'all need to check some of y'all friends. I really do. Cause it's sad as.
Hey, listen.
It's sad as. It's sad as. I'm all even enjoy their day. Cause y'all want to be out here with people. What's wrong with y'all? Y'all crazy as. Change